actually build a wall stack from the beginning to the end. So I have a bare board, and that board can be used on several models. And so I have a work order that tells me which model and how many I'm building, and I eventually pack that part. So within this small area here, I build a part beginning to end. We don't have high turnover, and I think that our people really care about what they're building. If you want to have parts manufactured in the United States, you need to purchase parts and things made in the United States, and that makes perfect sense. It's a full circle. We are small town people putting parts out into the whole world, and we're a family-oriented company. When you take our product out of the box, you already know it's good.